kids! What are we going to look at today? Today we are going to look at the letter R. The letter R makes the sound R. Shall we look at a few words that start with the R sound? Oh, look who's here! This is a raccoon. Raccoon. Shall we name our raccoon? Let's call her Reena. Reena. Reena the raccoon has a best friend who is a robin. Robin. Shall we name our robin? Let's call him Rusty. Rusty. Reena the raccoon and Rusty the robin are enjoying a beautiful day. And then it starts to rain. Rain. The rain stops. What do they both see now? They see a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow. They are both very excited to see the rainbow. Rusty the robin throws a red apple from the tree. They both share the red apple. Red apple, and watch the rainbow together. Shall we sing a song about Reena the raccoon and Rusty the robin? It's raining, it's pouring, raccoon and robin are watching. The rain stops, a rainbow pops, raccoon and robin are happy. Shall we sing the song again, kids? It's raining, it's pouring, raccoon and robin are watching. The rain stops, a rainbow pops, raccoon and robin are happy. Did you like the song, kids? Bye.